Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Fan Man here. Well, this is the 1987 Lasko, Walmart Lasko again, model 3600L. As you guys can see, she's all nice and cleaned up now. It came out really well. It's doing great. I don't know why it has that weird wobble when it's on this bracket. When it's on its normal ball and socket, it doesn't even shake at all. I think I might have bent one of the blades when I took it down, because it's usually installed over my work area, but I usually do my ceiling fan videos in here, so. Fan runs better, it looks better, and it's quieter now that there's not a bunch of dust all over it and everything. I do still have its canopy, but it's cracked, so I didn't put it on. And right now I have it installed on the double claw that I test my fans on, so that's why it's shaking so bad, I think. Most of my fans shake when they're on that bracket. They don't really like that bracket. It's not a very good one. It came with an Evergo, so. And even the Evergo that came with it shook like crazy on that bracket. But anyway, that's it for this video, so, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.